My name is David Flores. I study in the Department of Environmental Studies, and my internship was with Project GROW to get experience with habitat restoration and environmental education. I wanted to pursue the internship through Saddleback College program because it was available. It was something that was a little new to me. I've been in community colleges up and down California for several years, and so that was something that was unique and new. And it also fulfilled a requirement for the certificates I was working on at the time. So I thought it'd be a great way to not only get professional experience, but also have the opportunity to see what other opportunities it offered in terms of maybe networking or job opportunities and such. I interned with two different departments. So the Sustainable Horticulture and Landscape Design was when I was first taking part in the internship. And that experience really kind of gave me the skills in the field to know kind of what I wanted to do. So that was really a good experience and actually helped me kind of transition over to what I'm currently studying in the Environmental Studies department, because I realized I want to work with native plants and understand them better. And so my second internship through Environmental Studies, I interned with Project GROW, and I was able to network, and I actually got my first job in the field of environmental work, and so I worked as a technician in the private sector. And then not too long after that, I got the position that I've been in since August of 2023, which has been running and operating a nonprofit program. And so I think that the overall goals for the CWE internship, definitely I was able to benefit from it fully, and it's something that I believe very much works and offers a lot to interns who are interested in trying to take full advantage of the opportunities available.